Let's prepare this creamy and absolutely delicious black-eyed peas. Wash, peel, and blend some onions and garlic. To a saucepan, add coconut oil, add the blended onions, and saute for around 5 minutes. For the rest of the base, I'm using chili pepper, tomato, and red paprika. Blend until you have a smooth paste and add this to the onions. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Cover and on low-medium heat, saute until the liquid is completely gone. This took around 15 minutes. Once all the liquid is evaporated, add coconut milk, and seasoning. I'm using coriander powder, garam masala, ginger powder, Kashmiri chili, mix together. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Add some chili flakes and the star of the show, black-eyed peas, which I already cooked with water and bay leaf until completely done. Add salt, mix together, taste and adjust seasoning as required. I added curry powder, paprika powder, and bouillon seasoning. Mix together and allow to simmer for around 15 minutes. And voila! The black-eyed peas is ready to be enjoyed. So creamy, so delicious, and you would keep wanting more. Thank you for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.